Welcome to Keto channel. Today we have a scrumptious keto-friendly treat in store for you. Get ready to learn how to make low-carb peanut butter squares that are not only delicious but also perfect for your low-carb diet journey. Wait! Before starting this video, I introduce you with Erythritol Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1½ cup peanut butter creamy, 1/4 cup coconut oil divided, 1 cup almond flour superfine, 1/2 cup coconut flour, 1/3 cup powdered erythritol, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1 cup chocolate chips sugar-free. Yeast in a microwave-safe bowl, combine peanut butter and 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Melt them in a microwave for about 30 seconds and mix them until creamy. Add the almond flour, coconut flour, erythritol, and vanilla extract to the peanut butter mixture. Mix everything together using a spatula until well combined. Transfer the prepared mixture to the square pan and spread them evenly. Place it in the fridge for 10 minutes to set. Meanwhile, in a medium microwave-safe bowl, combine the chocolate chips and remaining coconut oil. Melt for a minute by stirring frequently until the chocolate is completely melted. Pour the melted chocolate over the peanut butter layer and spread evenly. Refrigerate for 2 hours until the chocolate is set and cut them into equal squares and serve. Are you serious to manage your belly fat naturally? Click the secret video link in the video description. The link will delete it in few days and never up in this video. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with others. For more expert advice on living a healthier life, don't forget to subscribe to Weight Ask channel. Thanks for watching!